Hello everyone. So this is my moringa plants growing. So this is from seeds. See, yeah, it's many. Look, this is moringa. That one, it's growing. So I wrap this one so that there is warm, and then it's aggravated to grow and sprout. This one, if you will see, they are sprouted already, and there are many. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, that's the moringa. So in one cup I put 2 seeds on it, not one. Look at this. So we have also eggplant. This is an Asian eggplant, but they are not growing well, but it's fine. When we transplant outside, they are fine. They will be grow. Yep. So this is the moringa when they sprouted. So we have also roselle plants. So this is the roselle plants that I planted last March. When you see this, they are growing, but I'm waiting outside that it will warm. So look at this. So that's my roselle plants. I'm hoping that they will grow well outside when they transplanted. This one. This is my roselle plants. I have 5 plants. I have 5 roselle plants, and this is our wing bean. So I'm hoping they will grow good outside when I transplanted it. And this is my tomato. So this is the seeds that I put. Look, when you look at this, there are many. I wrap plastic on it to keep them warm, and they will grow. So that's one. Yeah, look at that, there are many. And then now I will show you what do I have it in here, because it's time. Yeah, that one is tulips. I will plant the one outside soon. This is the egg from the chicken. So all of this, that squash is from last year harvest. So when you see this, it's many, so they are still good. And then we have moringa plants there, and then some seeds that I planted last night. And then this is my sweet potato. I will transplant this. I will plant this outside when the soil is ready. And this is my lemon. When you see the lemon, they are looking fine. So I planted them 3 years ago. So this is what they are going, just like that. And then I will put them outside soon. We'll bring that one outside soon. So there are all my lemon tree, that one. And then we have also lofa gourd. That's my lofa gourd that I tried to plant, but I'm hoping they will be work, that one. And we have lemongrass, and some of my plant seeds in here, they are not growing well, but it's fine. We have enough of we have a lot of seeds that I planted. So this is my lemongrass and some of the chili pepper that I have grown from seeds. So this is my tomato that I planted from seeds, and I'm hoping that when outside is ready, so I will transplant them. Thank you for watching.